Hello everybody, my name is Layy and welcome to my channel, How to Mommy. Finally, I am going to change my hair color. Last year when I gave birth, I decided to exclusively breastfeed my baby. So, hindi ako agad nakapag-hair color kasi sabi nila hindi daw allowed. But actually, sa totoo lang, I did my research and I found out that okay lang pala magpa-color ng hair. It's fine. It's okay to dye your hair. Sabi nila yung chemicals hindi naman daw na-absorb sa body mo. Mabaho siya. So, it's probably not gonna be a good decision if you're gonna breastfeed your baby kasi if nasa salon ka, it's really smelly. It's gonna irritate your baby, it's gonna bother him, it's not gonna make him comfortable. I think that's the reason why you're not allowed or parang dinidiscourage kang mag-color ng hair mo, but it's totally fine. But dahil wala din akong time pumunta ng salon and natatakot ako na baka umiyak si baby and dito pa lang yung na-color, dito hindi. So, hindi ko na lang ginawa. And then, because I did my own research, and dami-dami kong binasa, I came across this Liese Creamy Bubble Color. Matagal ko itong nabili. Last year pa, pero other more important things happened. So, hindi ko talaga siya na-use. And right now, it's finally the takdang panahon. I got this from Watson's for 449 pesos. And the color is just marshmallow brown. Ano lang siya? Hindi siya super brown. Hindi din siya yung mga matitingkad na pagka-blonde or something. Kasi ayoko, my hair is naturally black. Ito yung color ng hair ko talaga. Tapos ayokong maging super malayo yung bagong hair color ko sa original. Kasi, you know, may kilay and all yung... Tsaka ayoko talaga ng parang very eye-catching na, uy, wow, I just want to lighten my hair, but just a subtle change para parang it looks fresh lang, but not really super malayo sa original hair color ko. So this is marshmallow brown. It says here that if your hair color is dark, ganito lang yung change. If your hair color is lighter, then ganito. And if your hair color is very light, magiging ganito na siya. Basta you can just read the box. You're supposed to do an allergy test, a skin test. Please do it, guys. Pero ako, hindi ko na ginawa. Sorry. Let's just see. Feeling ko hindi ako allergic. Nagmamadali. We'll open it na. Ang laman ng box is dalawang solutions. Solution 1 and 2. The hair treatment. Yung parang pump para mag-foam yung solutions. 1 pair of gloves. Tingnan mo, ang galing. May gloves. Tsaka instruction sheet. Ito nga pala suot ko, just a tank top na luma para if madumihan, okay lang. Now, to avoid staining the other parts of your face and your head, put petroleum jelly. I think it's understood na dapat walang hair products sa hair nyo, so walang mga serum, mga oil, para mas mag-stick yung product. And baka it's not also advisable to use conditioner the day or the night before you do this. There, done. And then we're gonna start. What we're gonna do is to pour the solution 1 to the solution 2 bottle. So excited! Ako, I have shoulder length hair. So, I only need 1 box of these. Pero if you have very long hair daw, you have to use 2. You have to use 2 or 3. Okay. Medyo makapal yung hair ko, so sana okay lang tong isa. And then, don't shake it. You just have to like, turn it upside down 5 times daw ha. So, the goal is hindi magbubbles. Nagbubbles siya ng konti. That's why you don't shake it. Para hindi siya magbubbles. Nagbubbles siya ng konti. Pero sana it's still gonna work. Next is, ano ba yung next step? May instruction sheet na super laki. Hindi ginamit. We're gonna start. We're gonna change this cap into yung parang pump. Tapos, I'm gonna wear the gloves. Okay, then. So, I'm gonna... Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm also excited. I'm so nervous and excited. So, ganito siya, bubbles. And, unahin daw natin yung scalp. Yung parang dito. Sa top. Amazing. Sometimes it really amazes me. Nakikita ko na kasi yung mga videos nito na parang, really? It's just bubbles pero nagko-color yung hair. It's permanent, ha? I'll tell you about how long it lasts. Pero, it's not a one-day dye. So easy and fun. Kasi bubbles siya. It's so fun. Tapos easy lang. My hair is just dry. I'm just here on the bed. I don't need another person's help. It's DIY talaga. Medyo may smell pala siya. Kala ko completely walang smell. Medyo meron, pero it's not very strong. Okay lang siya. I am really impressed. Kasi diba yung proper talaga na hair dye, you have to have yung mga... Ang dami mong kailangan. Diba yung mga... Ano ba yun? Yung mga... Yung parang bowl, yung brush na may parang... Ano yan? Hindi ko alam ang tawag. You have to have those. And then, of course, sa hair dye na packaging na ganun, di ba walang ano? Walang gloves. It's complete, guys. Even the pump is provided for. And then yun, kailangan mo talaga i-section yung hair mo. Hindi mo isi-section. Patay. So, now that parang fully covered na yung dyan ko, I'm gonna proceed with the strands ng hair ko pababa. Hindi siya irritating, hindi siya mahapde. At all. Okay, I think everything is covered, pero kailangan madami daw yung bubbles, so ubusin ko na. Almost done. Wala na. Okay, I'm done. I think that means I'm done kasi wala na. That's like around 10 minutes of trying to cover the whole scalp and lahat ng hair. And then I have to massage it. Sandali. Basahin ko yung instructions. Tapos na. I just have to massage it and then leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes na tayo para sure. Say hi. Say hi. Wow, so very good. Hi guys! 30 minutes na. Actually, medyo lumagpas, pero okay lang siya. Parang nawala medyo yung bubbles, pero hindi siya nadidrip. So, I was able to take care of my baby sandali. Nagluto ako ng food para sa kanya. Ngayon, kumakain na siya ng breakfast. Medyo makate, pero parang nakakatihan talaga ako even before yung mga ordinary na hair dye. Parang I just didn't mind it na lang. Okay naman. I didn't even scratch it kasi wala na akong gloves. So, I just let it, itch. Bahala na. And then, maliligo na ako. The instructions has shampoo. So, I'm assuming yung shampoo ko. And then, rinse off treatment. So, that's all I'm gonna do. And then, I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, I am done. And, I took a full bath. And I used the treatment. And then, medyo nag-brown nga siya. But I'm just gonna dry my hair so that makikita natin yung full effect talaga. we are done. Ito na. Ito na yung results. Nag-brown nga siya. Especially here. Look at that. O, diba? Parang ako nagpasalon. And my hair is so soft. It's so smooth. Ang ganda ng hair ko. Parang it's because of the treatment. So, hindi talaga siya masyadong harsh. Yung smell hindi masyadong harsh. Yung bubbles while I was waiting, it smells like the ordinary hair dye. Pero super duper duper mild lang. And then yung treatment na ginamit ko after I shampooed, it smells like berries. Parang ganun. Parang siyang conditioner. It's really okay lang. And I enjoyed the whole process. It's so easy. It's so fun. And ang saya kasi ganito na siya after. And if you have thick hair, thicker than mine, and baka nga longer ng konti, kailangan na kaagad ng 2 box. So once again, for the mommies, for the breastfeeding mommies, especially like me, I researched ahead, and yung chemicals na gamit ng Liese is not gonna be absorbed by your body to your bloodstream, by your mammary gland. So my breast milk is gonna be okay. I'm still gonna continue breastfeeding my baby. I'm gonna update you kasi you know, baka yung effects is after a few days pa, pero I'm sure that there will be no effects. But you can ask me in the comments below or on my social media accounts, my Instagram or my Facebook, and subscribe to my channel to find out, kasi i-update ko kayo sa mga next na videos ko if magiging okay pa ba, if hihina yung milk supply ko, if ayaw na ni baby, if magiging brown yung milk ko. Sana hindi naman, pero of course it's not gonna happen. Oh my god. Yun na nga, I used Liese once again, Liese Creamy Bubble Color. And you can find this in Watson's. It's so easy to use. You can do it yourself. It's so quick, and I hope that you got something useful from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you would consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.